I'm Wayne Greene, editorial pages editor of the Tulsa World, and I'm talking today with Representative Mark Lawson, Republican from Sapulpa, who is the author of an interim study for the State House of Representatives to look at the effect of incarceration on Oklahoma families. In supporting documents for that study, Representative Lawson points out that at any time, 26,000 Oklahoma children have parents in Oklahoma prison systems. And that's not counting kids whose parents are in jails or federal facilities or anywhere else. Representative Lawson, what is it you're hoping to bring out in this study?
Yeah, Wayne, well, thank you for this interview, first of all. And you brought up a lot of good points there. Let's start with what we do know. We do know that Oklahoma, unfortunately, incarcerates more women than any other state and really in the nation. And we want to examine really what does that cost the state? And I'm not talking about just dollars. You know, we can put a dollar figure on what it costs to incarcerate someone on an annual basis in the state of Oklahoma. Or if these women are mothers and we place a child in foster care, we can put a dollar figure on what it costs for one kid to be in the foster care system for a year. But what are those costs to the state that we can't put a dollar figure on? What we do know is that, again, we incarcerate more women than any other state. What we do know is that we're leading the nation in adverse childhood events. And anytime a parent is placed in custody and children are placed in the state's custody, that increases that child's A scores. And the larger a child's A scores, the less likely they are to perform in the classroom, the more likely they are to end up in the justice system themselves. So we want to look at, what are we doing with these issues? Are we ready to really change our attitude on substance abuse and addiction and look at it more through a lens as a mental health issue versus a criminal issue? Can the state partner with a lot of programs that are already in existence that are helping to treat women in these situations so that they can stay out of prison, that they can continue to be mothers and be present in the lives of their children, and that we can keep those families together and benefit the state for generations to come.
Representative Lawson, thank you for your time today and good luck with you on your study.
All righty. Thanks, Wayne. Appreciate the time.